To do that big thing, you start in dealer's grip and you open into this Sybil again. The beginning is the same, your thumb goes back and you strip out the middle packet. Pinky goes in between. But now your right hand is going to move forward and your thumb is going to grab the packet here. So you have kind of a triangle. Then your pinky is going to go next to your other pinky and you're going to break one packet off the pinky and another packet off the pinky again, so you have kind of a C grip in the middle here. Then your right hand is going to move down, your left hand is going to move up, and you're going to create the display here. Then your right hand is going to move all the way over until your thumb can contact the middle packet, and it can take it. And you can move into the display here, move forward, your right hand, or your left hand moves forward and down. Your right index finger can take the packet in between your thumbs. You can close all the packets here, and you can finish the scissor cut. And for the closer, the packet on your index finger goes on the thumb. You move the packet in the middle to the top, and then you're going to want to straddle grip this packet here. As your thumb goes back to your pinky, you move forward, the packet in a straddle grip goes onto the thumb. And from here, you just turn it over halfway and drop it like that.